Hi everyone, so Dimitri is here. This is Michael, Artiker. This is Dimitri from Eastidea. So today we're going to install Eastidea Emulator 2 Pro ultra throw media projector in elevator. I'm going to show you the whole process of installation, how easy it is to be done, and the final result. We already pre-prepared. We opened the box. This is what our customers will see from us. So we have the projector with our instruction brochure here, projector, wires. We have the projection film here inside the box for 2 meters. We have our installation bracket. We have our 4G wireless router for internet connectivity inside the elevator. Let's follow me. I will show you how the elevator looks like from inside. This elevator has 5 floors, which will be more than enough. Show the advertising, and this is a perfect area space within the elevator. We move the elevator 1 floor down. Now I'm going to give the router to be connected here. This is the adapter, and this is all the wires. So now we're going to install the router. I'm going to put first of all the Wi-Fi, the 4G signal extender, in order to create the connectivity inside the elevator. The connectivity is created like this, and antenna is put in this way. Okay, now we're gonna put it and fix it on the elevator top. So what we are doing right now, we are finding the place where to fix this router. Okay, so now we are powering up our router. When you're fixing everything outside, you need on the rooftop, you need to bring kind of plastic handcuffs in order to fix all the devices on the rooftop. Now we're waiting until the elevator will come up, and we will go on the elevator rooftop again. As you can see here, you have the power socket. Actually, you have the even internet here. So actually, instead of using our wireless router, we actually can use the router which is here. This is a power box. So as you can see, all the peripherals of the electricity of elevator is located on the rooftop. By the way, to show you that we have the connectivity of internet in elevator, let me show you the Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, which is inside the elevator. And look, you can see how strong the signal. The signal is 100%. I have internet which is working. Let me go to the Baidu inside the elevator. Right now we're using the 4G wireless router. This is how the signal looks like. Right now we're on the 4th floor, and the elevator went down, and you see the signal how strong it is. Okay, now we are going to install our Emulator 2 Pro inside the elevator. So first of all, the first step what we need to do is the second step. The first step already done. We created the Wi-Fi 4G wireless connection in the elevator. So now we need to fix the projector inside the elevator. So for this case, we're going to use our bracket. This is the bracket. So the bracket have 2 parts. Here we have our install tools. We need to unscrew the part of the bracket, which we need to attach to the surface first. We prepared for each bracket, we have like 3M stickers, like this. So now, when Michael brings me the glue, we're gonna put here the hypoxide glue in between these lines, and we're gonna attach this on the wall. I'm gonna remove the red parts. Okay, it's ready. Now don't forget, so this part is actually is a part, let's remove the glue, which will handle our projector. So when we attach this to the surface, we attach this way, because what we're going to do later, we're going to put the bracket of the projector this way, like this. Remember the position. So what we need to do now, I'm going to put the projector in the center. I'm going to attach this part of the bracket on the surface. Now we need to wait about 15 minutes until the glue will be dried, and we're gonna attach the projector on the bracket itself. In order to confirm, I'm gonna bring my ruler to see either the distance is correct or not. I'm checking right now the distance. Distance should be okay. This is the center right now. Then we're gonna clean it up towards. Yeah. Now let it dry. When it's going to be dry, we're going to put the projector on the top. So this is our bracket. Inside the bracket, a special hole here where we need to take the wire up from this device, from the bracket itself. So for this I'm going to use a regular screwdriver. Yeah, by the way, you need to work all this time with all the installation tools. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open it. I'm going to open one screwdriver here. And I'm going to push this part down this way, like this. Why am I doing this? Let me show you why. We have our cable, which will be powering our projector. So I'm going to put it here in advance. So I'm going to push it till this way, like this. And I'm going to bring this part to close. What you need to put this way and to close it. The cable which goes upwards. Now, once I done this part, I'm going to use my screwdriver here. I'm going to put it back and screw it. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the projector inside the bracket. I'm going to open it up. So this is the projector, this is how it looks like. This cover, you will remove it at the end of the installation. So before we install, we have a secret pins which actually allowing us to fix the projector inside the bracket without nobody stealing it or taking it out. So we're gonna screw it out, the protection pins, and like this. Now you need to be very careful because this bracket is very tight. It's very tight. So sometimes some people they might think that the projector cannot sit tightly inside. So what you need to do, you need to press hard here first, like this, and then bring the projector and use your power to put it inside. As you can see, slowly projector goes inside. You need to make sure that the cable is going this direction, but before pushing it, you need to connect the cable from the USB, which is activate the sensor of the projector. Okay, so done and done very nicely. And after we finish this, you're using this key, okay, in order to fix the projector inside the bracket. Similar we do on this side. Now as you can see, device will never fall down, it sits very tightly. Now let's wait until the glue will be dry, and then we're gonna put the device on the fixing bracket. We are going to install now the projection film on the doors. So for this, you need to use as well the water spray bottle in order to cleanse the surface of the area, and keep the doors of the elevator a bit wet in order to adjust the position. So we have installed the first part of the bracket inside. So as you can see, the basement is ready. This is the basement. We put the glue, make him 5 minutes to get dry. We put the wires inside here. The wires, everything is prepared. You just need to hang the projector and it's ready. As you can see, we prepared as well the film for the projection area. It's going to be here. Projector will project here, and then I will show you how it will set up for the projection. Remember, I showed you that we opened this door here. First of all, I put this cable inside. Now we take these two screwdrivers, this small one, and we're gonna fix it in this direction. We're gonna tie it up to make it sit very tightly on the bracket itself. So what we're gonna do, the small one, we're gonna fix the door because we want this cable to go straight forward like this direction. The glue is still get dried, so we wait until the glue will completely dry, and then we're gonna put the projector inside the device. Final result of the installation, of course we will do some cleanup afterwards, but as you can see, this is the clear image how the device looks when it's installed. You see the brightness of the device. Let's see how the content is played. Okay, so once it's recognized me, it should play right now. Yeah, as you can see, recognize my face, and this is how it looks on the doors when the content is being played. We glue up this part, put inside, and now the device is completely working. As you can see, this is how the full installation looks like. It's a very light environment, but inside with this projection, the image is super clear. So you can see, right? If I stand very close, I still can see everything, and it's very clean. So let me show you how it looks inside. This is the pure elevator, as you can see, EI Lifter 2 Pro. The brightness is super bright. As you can see right now is a regular light. We didn't do any Photoshop, nothing, just as it is. You see the average size, I'm 1 meter 93 centimeters. This is how the size looks like this. We can even make it larger, but there's no need for that. As you can see, the whole door is about 2 meters. So that will probably take about up to third. Ultra short throw, I stand close to the projection. There is no lights, there is no shadows coming in, so everybody can see that. So this is the real environment of the elevator. Here I am Dimitri, Eastidea. This is our new EM 2 Pro. This is how the clean installation should look like, and this is the future of advertising in elevators, not only.